I still have open armholes which I need to join. The main idea is to make it as much invisible as it's possible. I take approximately 2-3 times longer thread, insert it in the needle and find the first stitch. I see that they are lost here while I was knitting the sweater, and therefore I'm using my crochet to help myself lifting them up. It's quite meticulous work but you will definitely be rewarded when you see how accurate it looks at the end. I try to repeat the same way the thread does every row. The needle goes down to the first stitch, as you see the stitch is not twisted, and then it goes up from the next stitch. I do the same with stitches on the opposite side. Down to the first stitch and up from the next stitch. Step by step, breathing slowly, patiently picking up loops, finding the right side. My yarn is too heavy and therefore causes a bit extra work for me. At the moment, maybe the idea is not that clear, but I'm doing a couple of stitches more. You see the way needle dancing in between stitches repeats the way all rows are linked with each other. Once you get the idea, you will be able to link any holes in your knitwear without problems. The most interesting in this is to seal the very corners of this armhole, but it's not that difficult how it might look. Basically, I just keep finding stitches that logically continue this row and hide ends inside. First, I hide the thread ends. You can just entangle them in between loops or try to repeat loops in order to imitate their waving like I'm showing it here. Look carefully. The trick is to find stitches that are too big and tighten them up by spreading the thread evenly throughout the neighbor stitches. Here, for example, I see that some stitches are too big. I pull them a bit out and distribute the lengths, stitch by stitch, until all big loops are well distributed. You can just watch how I'm doing it.